Hi everyone, this is Srinivas from Ameerpet Technologies. In this video of ADO.NET tutorial, I'm going to explain how to deposit amount into account table. Here it is, just read input details from the user. So what is the input? Just ask them to enter account number, and next one, enter how much amount you want to deposit. Enter amount to deposit. Suppose if it is successfully deposited, if the row is updated, right? If the number is present, if account is present, here it is just giving that message deposited successfully. Else here it is that record not found message we are providing. Record not found. So we need to ask two things to enter user. One is, so what is the account number? Nothing but into which account number. Next one is how much amount you want to deposit into that account. So directly I'm explaining the code. Here it is. The first we are taking the connection string to establish the connection that we know already. Enter account number to deposit into, that we are reading because account number is an integer. So once you collect the input using the read line method, that we are converting into integer. Next one, how much amount you want to deposit. Again, reading using the read line method, and just the amount is nothing but decimal you have taken in the account table. I have already shown. Look at this, the balance is a decimal. In account table, that balance is a decimal we have taken. Simple. Now, now. So once we read, now we are writing the query. See, it is an update query whenever you are going to deposit. So which one we are updating? The table is a account table, and we are setting the balance. To the balance, we are adding how much amount. See, at the rate amount. There we need to set the value that what you have read from the user, and account number also. So we know that we have seen update query, right? To the balance, to the existing balance, we are adding the amount where a particular account number given. So first one is connection. We establish the connection using method. So once connection is open, then we know that SQL command object we need to create, which is taking two values. One is update query, nothing but, so what is the query you want to execute, and the connection object we need to specify. Here it is. So once it is ready, we need to set the values. First one is amount. This is important. Add with value. First one amount we are setting because first one is amount, second one is a number. All the two we need to set. And this is a DML query. We know that insert, delete, update using that execute non-query. Execute non-query. It's not select command. It's not retrieving. Right? What execute non-query will do? If account is present, if the account number is valid, then it will update and it will return that how many rows affected. Just updated. It will return one row, suppose. Right? If one row is affected, at least means what? Yes, amount deposited successfully. If not, in that case, just giving that message is record not found. In case any exception while writing the command or while executing that command, simply we are handling that exception by displaying the message which is given by the system. This is the simple way. Now here it is. Let me show you. Here I'm executing that. Three records are there with the balance 657 and 8,000 rupees. Now I'm executing how it is changing. Let me show you. Here it is executing the code. Enter account number to deposit. For example, account number is 102 I am giving. The deposit amount is 3,500 I am giving. See, amount deposited successfully into the account number 102. Deposit amount is a 3,500. See, if you go and check in account number 102, Annie with the balance 7,000, just when you execute once again, look at this 7,000 become 10,500 rupees because 3,500 we deposited just now from the ADO.NET C# console application. Hope you understood. Please practice the code. Thank you all.